In this video, you will learn a little bit about mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness is essentially the practice of being present in everything that you do. We do this throughout the yoga practice, and I also encourage you to do this throughout your day. One of the things that I like to do is to complete my chores or complete a chore like doing the dishes and complete mindfulness and presence. It's very interesting because it makes it feel less mundane and actually more of a practice that's really good for the brain. Another example would be feeling the ground underneath your feet as you walk across the floor. You could bring your attention there and practice that way as well. There are a lot of different mindfulness meditations. Essentially, it just means bringing yourself fully present in whatever you're doing at the moment. It's really good for you. And as far as meditation goes, there are so many different meditations, which there are some included in this course, which you have access to. I do recommend that you meditate at the end of your personal practice at minimum. You can meditate anytime, of course, but during this course, at the end of your personal practice or at the end of the classes or both. The meditations that are available, if you've ever been in a meditation program, you'll see that the list is endless. There's breathing meditation, there's tension release meditations, guided meditations, imagery and visual meditations, breathing meditations. There's even mindfulness meditations, movement meditations. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. And that's great. There are a lot of different areas and different kinds available for you to try. One of the ways that I like to present meditation, however, is it's essentially a practice to allow you to have creative and healing experiences. So you might try a meditation for a while and notice that you're not getting certain results that you were getting at the beginning, and you might want to switch it up, and that's great. You may also find that you're getting more benefit with self-discipline by sticking to a certain practice, and that's great too. I recommend that you do whatever you feel is best for you. So when it comes to meditation, it's important to ground yourself, which we will do in the next video during the meditation. It's also important to find a comfortable seat for yourself. So you don't have to sit straight up like this. You can sit on a pillow. You can sit with blankets under your knees, if you remember from the props video. Whatever is most comfortable for you. You can even sit in a chair with your feet on the ground. You can sit against the wall. You can sit against the bed or something to hold up your spine. You can sit outside on the ground and do these meditations as well, wherever you're most comfortable and wherever you have the best experiences. So let's get started in this next video and let's enjoy this meditation together. Namaste.